The following instructional video describes how to upgrade the hard drive on a dampControl PC. The items required for the upgrade are a updated compact flash drive and a Phillips head screwdriver. The first thing to do is to remove the 4 screws from the back of the dampControl PC. Next, to remove the motherboard from the PC, gently push on the front of the CD-ROM drive to slide the motherboard out the back of the PC. Once you can grab onto the motherboard, carefully slide it out from the PC. The compact flash hard drive is mounted to the underside of the CD carrying board. To remove the board, gently lift on the board to remove the connectors, being careful not to bend the pins. When you turn the drive over, you can see the compact flash hard drive. If the compact flash hard drive is 512 meg or larger, it does not have to be replaced. To replace the drive, slide the compact flash card out of the carrier. If the card is taped, remove the tape first before sliding it out. Next, install the replacement compact flash card. Now, reinstall the drive carrier board, carefully lining up the pins with the connector, and firmly push down so that the connectors on both sides of the carrier are fully seated. Next, reinstall the motherboard into the PC housing by lining the motherboard up with the grooves. And carefully sliding it in. Being careful that when you insert the board, the CD-ROM is at the top so that it slides through the opening. Once the motherboard is fully inserted, reinstall the 4 screws holding the motherboard to the housing. Once the 4 screws are installed, the upgrade is complete. Now follow the instructions for installing the software on the dampControl PC.